You should buy this extra. In this kit you won't get this tires, just the kit. This kit includes these all parts in the kit with extra parts like resistors, LEDs, buzzers, extra and extra. This kit also have this. In the kit have two breadboards with good quality, and the fan. You can do this 12-pin display. All this we can do the many projects with this. This cable is used to upload the code for this ESP32. It's mandatory to upload the code. This is ESP32 ROM come with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth included. This battery holder can have AA batteries up to 6. This ultrasonic sensor measures all the distance and etc. Then this display will display the output from ESP32. It's for mandatory for all projects, you think. This RGB LEDs we unpack it at the last of the video. This mini DC motor with jumper soldered. This is soldered with the jumpers with male pins. Okay. This is single display. As past we have seen that 12 pin. This have 10 pin. This potentiometer, 3-pin potentiometer, changes values like analog values, etc. This DHT level sensor. This measures temperature and humidity sensors. This measures all. These male to female jumper wires, and they also give to male also. These are very usable. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Switches. These 5 switches with 5 colors. Color switches. Good. This is servo, 90 degrees servo rotation with all the fixtures. SG90 servo motors. Good, very nice. Quality is better quality. I have never seen before this quality. Good, very good. This PR motion sensor. This will detect the motion and send signals to display or PIR motion sensor. This is this stepper model. We can do direct current for motor driver as like a motor for we have seen before like that. Let's unpack it. This kit have resistors and color: red color, blue color, green color, LEDs. This also have buzzers, 2 buzzers, 3 volts or 5 volts buzzers, and also have IR sensor. Wow, nice. IR sensor we can do many projects with IR sensor, right? This is transistor BC547. Good. All the parts. You can do many projects with this. This ACEBOTT products are very good always. I have partially also ordered it. Very good quality. In description I have given the link please buy it from the it. You can also refer good quality. Once tried, it's good qualities and worth it. Finally, it's a worth it product. You know that you have seen this test.